Hello and welcome to Edit with Ease. Did you know that adding captions to your social media videos can skyrocket your engagement and reach? Well, according to Facebook, videos with captions can increase view time by 12% on average. By providing captions, you ensure that your content is accessible to a wider audience of people, including people with hearing impairments and for those who prefer to watch videos without sound. In this video, I'll show you how Descript makes adding captions to your social posts quicker and easier. If you want to try Descript, click the link in the description below. Well, all right. I've recorded this video so that you can see just how quick and easy it is to add captions. We're going to practice with this video and I'll play a little bit of it now. Hey everyone, guess what just arrived? My long-awaited book order. I've been counting down the days for this moment. So this is the video that we're going to work with. In order to get started, we need to highlight the part that we want captioned. And in this case, I'm going to highlight the entire video. Now go to the top and click the T for the text box and then click Captions. And you see how just automatically they show up? That's pretty nifty. All right. The next thing you need to decide is what size box you want. And you can go here to the top and click in the left side. This is landscape. We can choose a square or portrait. And it depends on where you're going to post your video. We're going to use portrait in this case. And so after you choose portrait, as you can see, it doesn't quite fit the landscape. So we're going to click once and click the position and choose fill canvas. And as you can see, it's just automatically filling the area. Now, I don't quite like how it's positioned, so I'm just moving it around a little bit to get the main part of this in here, and that is the unboxing. All right, and then once you get your caption in here, you can just click and you can move it around pretty much anywhere you want. You could put it down in the bottom, but I feel we need to bring it up maybe just a little over half. As you can see, it shows us where these lines are, the crossbar. This is the middle, and then over to the left, there's another red bar. Yeah, we're just going to leave it here. And we can make the font a little larger. I'll show you here on the right side. This is where your captions bar area is so that you can customize everything. And if you look down here, it says Roboto medium, and I'm going to change it to, let's see, it's at 120. We'll bring it up to 125 and see how that looks. And I'm going to change Roboto to Lotto. I like Lotto, but I don't like the italics. So I'm taking out the italics and I'm going to call it Lotto Bold. I like to have it centered. And then I want to show you here, you can have your text so it's regular text, or you can have it all caps. All right, I'm going to use it as regular. And then down here, if we click the text style settings, another box will show up. I'm going to move this box over so that you can see a little bit better. This is where you can customize how your captions will look. Right now, our fill is white, and we can change that or leave it. And you can adjust your border. So my border is 25. And I'm going to mark it down. Yeah, 20 looks good. All right, and so for the background, you can just click and then you can choose the color for the background. Right now it's a light blue. We can make it dark blue. Ooh, that's too dark. Purple. I kind of like it as the blue. We'll click out of here. This is where you can choose right here what color you want that active word to be. I actually like it to be yellow, but we can change the shade of yellow. See right here up in the top, you can move that so that it is darker or brighter. Yeah, we'll leave it right here. I think that looks good. You can also use the dropper and change the color that way. Here is the background. We can click here and choose a background for our wording. Here's yellow. I think that's probably too bright. There's a darker blue. I think that looks good. We'll leave it that way. For the future words, you can also customize those. Right now, our future words are purple, and we have a border of 5. I'll change the border 10. Let's see if that's too heavy. No, I think that looks good. We'll make our purple just a little bit brighter. So you can just play around with the customization and just choose something that you like. But whatever the last settings are that you have, that's what it will look like when you open up your project again. So there are some effects here, and we can put a shadow on them, which really makes it stand out. All right, well, let's go ahead and play our video and see how it looks. Hey everyone, guess what just arrived? My long-awaited book order. I've been counting down the days for this moment, and now it's finally here. Okay, that looks pretty good. I do want to show you there's one other thing that will really make your captions pop, and that is when you can put some emojis in there. I think that makes them look really nice. So I'll show you how you can do that. I'm on a Windows computer. So to get the emojis, double click on the word that you want the emoji to be placed on and press correct. And at that point, open up the emoji panel. And for Windows, you should click the Windows key and period. And then type in the word that you're looking for. I'm looking for a stack of books. So I typed in books and I clicked it, and then I'm just going to press correct. And as you can see, isn't that nice? Long-awaited book order. Now the next one I think I want to do is I've been counting down the days. I'll change this to a sun. So I'm double clicking, pressing correct, Windows key, period, and sun, and correct. I just love that. I think it really makes it pop. The last one I'll do is for this word unboxing. I'm going to look for a box. Okay, here's a box. Now let's go ahead and play it and see how it looks. Hey everyone, guess what just arrived? My long-awaited book order. I've been counting down the days for this moment, and now it's finally here. I can't wait to share this unboxing experience with all of you. And here we go. Okay, so that is how you can quickly and easily make captions using Descript. Aren't they nice? Well, if you liked this video, please go ahead and subscribe, click the notification bell, and give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.